Question 13. A concentrated aqueous solution containing each of the following ions is electrolyzed using platinum electrodes. Which row shows the ions that discharge first at the two electrodes? So in electrolysis, this question involves the use of inert electrodes made of platinum, and there will be a positive electrode and a negative electrode in an electrolyte solution. The positive electrode will attract the negatively charged ions because opposite charges attract, while the negative electrode will attract the positively charged cations. Because this solution is an aqueous solution, on top of these ions present, there will also be H+ and hydroxide ions present in the electrolyte. But because this solution is a concentrated solution of these four ions, they will predominate and be found in higher concentrations than the hydroxide and the H+ ions. At the positive electrodes, the negative N ions are attracted, which will be the chloride ions, the sulfate ions, and the hydroxide ions. We know that out of these three, sulfate ions are the least likely to be discharged, and out of chloride and hydroxide ions, the ion that will be discharged depends on the concentration. In this case, the chloride ions dominate in higher concentrations, and hence the chloride ion will be discharged into chlorine gas. Therefore, at the positive electrode, it will be the chloride ions that discharge first. At the negative electrodes, the positive cations that will be attracted are the sodium cations, copper cations, and the hydrogen cations. We know that the ease of discharge will increase down the reactivity series. Therefore, the easiest ion to be discharged will be the one that is located at the bottom of the reactivity series, which is going to be the copper 2+ ions. Therefore, these ions will be discharged at the negative electrode, leaving A as the correct answer.